Have you ever wondered how plants grow? We all know that the plants grow through the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process where plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make glucose and oxygen. It has two stages. Light-dependent reaction makes energy and oxygen, while Calvin cycle uses the energy to make glucose. But today, we are going to discuss about the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle is the light-independent stage of photosynthesis that happens in the stroma of the chloroplast. It uses carbon dioxide, ATP, and NADPH to produce glucose. It has three main steps. The carbon fixation. The carbon fixation, carbon dioxide from the air combines with RUBP using the enzyme Rubisco, forming 3-PGA molecules. Reduction. ATP and NADPH convert 3-PGA into G3P, a simple sugar molecule. Regeneration. Some G3P is used to make glucose while the rest uses ATP to regenerate RUBP so the cycle can start again.